Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you.
The garden is looking very untidy at the moment, but it's going to be winter next month, so I need to get started. Just do some de-weeding and tidy up the area. This is the area of the garden that I'm gonna tackle today. Going to de-weed, get rid of all the dead bits. I also have soaked some of the ranunculus corms. I've also got some seeds here that I need to store and label. I've got marigolds, zinnias, and okra seeds. So from this pile, there's just a few viable seeds. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, these two. See those two. Those are the seeds that we saved today. That's the okra seeds, marigold, and zinnia. I don't really have a proper storage for them. I usually just keep it in my cupboard, away from any moisture and light. For now, this is what we ended up with. I mean, it's definitely better than before. I actually didn't touch these ones because I still have my ranunculus corms soaking in the water. So I'll just put them in here, so I won't touch them yet. But there's definitely a lot less weeds. I moved some of the pots around so it gets more sun.